What's up everyone, I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get captions, subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro on your video. So the first thing you want to do is click on window at the top here, and then you want to make sure you do have text selected. So now we have the text box open and it defaults over to the captions right over here, and you can create captions from transcript, but what you want to do is make sure that the transcript is what you want it to be. So this other video here, it already has like all the wording and stuff. And what you want to do is just make sure that everything does make sense, no like spelling errors, whatever. And then you want to go back under the captions tab and then create captions from transcript. So right over here, there's subtitle default. There's other options you can explore what these are. I haven't used all of them before, but I'm just going to go with the subtitle default. And then you can adjust your caption preferences. So you can adjust these to your liking and however it fits your style of video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and create captions. So this does take a little bit, but it's not too bad. I have to do a voiceover because the original video was capturing my old video audio, but you can see I have these orange subtitle boxes now, and you can go ahead and adjust these. Now you can go ahead and highlight all the orange boxes to adjust the text to your liking and go under the essential graphics, and then you can change the font, fill, background, shadows, whatever, and then it will go ahead and apply it to all of the text in your video. If this video did help you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you are new. If not, that is okay too. I'll forgive you. Peace.